Yeah, these pretty nice. Yes, sir. Man, packs the punch. Yes, sir. What's up with it? What's up with it, everybody? Hey. Yeah. Oh, Lord. Whew. That was a good one. Man. Yeah, man. It's going down, y'all. Oh, man. Yeah. Matter of fact, on this channel, I think we're going to be almost at 86K. You did. So, yeah, we killing it, y'all. We still blowing this up. We're going to get this money up to 3K. Yeah, it is. We're going to get it up there, y'all. So, all right, y'all. Y'all going to be ready to pop it out. Pop it out. Pop it out. Hey, hey, pop it out. Pop it out. Hey, hey, pop it out. Pop it out. Yeah.
Daddy, look at my backpack.
Oh, pretty backpack.
Look at the back of it.
Oh, it's the back of it. Oh, she's pretty.
She said, sound of your voice.
Oh, okay, pretty. You ready for school? Okay, okay.
Pretty.
That's good.
A lady.
Yeah. What's up with it, everybody? It's Sunday. I forgot I'm off on these crazy days, y'all. Shoot, Sunday. Oh, man. Oh, boy, I tell you. Kiddo gotta go to school. Yeah. My kiddo get to go to school tomorrow. Yeah. What's up with it, everybody? How y'all doing? How's y'all day? What it do? What it do? What it do? You did. It's all good. We got some peekaboo. They gonna play peekaboo later. It's all good.
You are Daddy, can you help me make it tight? Thank you.
You're welcome.
I got the little backpack.
Yeah. Everybody, it's the party time. Oh, man. Try not to watch no Parliament State, y'all. I know they got something I might want. I'm gonna chill out. I'm trying my best, y'all, to chill out. Woo. I'm trying. If not by nothing else for at least 3 months. So I'm gonna try to be good, y'all. I'm gonna try not to buy nothing. I'm gonna try my best. Man. Probably just stack up all this no ammo, you know. Other than that, I'm gonna try my best to be good, y'all. Yep, I'm gonna try my best. I ain't gonna try to buy nothing. I know I want that Savage. I know I want this other shotgun. They want to make like an AK. I want so much, man. It's just a hey, but I'm save up. These kiddos, they back to school now. It's daytime, so I got a lot to do. But I just sure do got a lot on my list, though. Yes, yes. So, yeah, I got a lot I need to do. So, yeah, get ready, y'all. Get ready. I'm going to try to be good, though. I'm going to be good. You might see a lot of accessories. I'm going to be good. But I'm going to try not to get no another gun until the next 3 months. Hopefully, the next 3 months. The next 3 months, y'all. I'm going to try not to get nothing. I'm going to try to be good. Hold out. Man, I don't know. Maybe having gun on sale. I know there's gonna be another holiday coming up. Yeah, I know me. But I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna be good, y'all. Hey, hey.